Morning, welcome to Narrowboat Oddstruck Belle. I'm Chris, and my beautiful wife Shell is currently out running with our puppy Luna. We've gone up to 5 years it'll have been since we converted our narrowboat and stepped aboard to live aboard, and this past week we've seen one of the biggest changes in our standard of living. Action! Oh.
Go on, Bellend.
Action!
Cheers.
And it's been quite a lot of work, so let's get into that. And just before we do that, I'm just going to get some drone footage of Shell and Luna coming back. So I said at the start it was life-changing, and Definitely is. Especially now the weather's picking up a little bit and it's getting warmer and warmer. So the fridge is in, it's working fine. The new carcass we've built is... so that was a challenge, getting that angle. It's always difficult on a narrowboat. But second time lucky, got it right. So yeah, we're going to get some really nice wallpaper now and do that side of it. Put an edging strip on and it's done. So nice to be able to like batch cook. So especially at the minute, salads, just do a nice big bowl of salad and stick it in the fridge. Yeah, it's definitely it's one of those things that doesn't seem like it's that important, but trust me, having a rubbish small fridge for 4 years has been a nightmare, especially in summer. Not so bad in winter. You can put things in the engine bay and it's pretty much fridge-like. But yeah, now the warmer weather's here, it's an absolute joy. And especially forgetting the freezer bit. I mean, we may in the future get a separate freezer once we bump up the battery bank, but we're fine as we are. So yeah, it's absolute joy. Although you wouldn't believe it, some people find it very boring, fridge talk. But yeah, so that's it for this week, guys. Thanks ever so much for watching. Have you got a project you've been putting off? I mean, I've put this off for a couple of months because I've been worried about that wall and that angle. But you know, we got there. So yeah, give it a go. Let us know how you get on in the comments. Do you think a fridge is this important? So, till next time, love yourself, stay afloat, and take care. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Do it again, Mum, do it again.